Have you ever craved that smoky, spicy, and savory egg fried rice from your favorite Indo-Chinese street stall or restaurant and wondered how do they get it just right? Well, we are going to show you how to recreate that same magic right at your home. Start with a well-seasoned kadhai or wok placed on the largest burner of your stove. We have made a detailed video about it that you can find it over here. Add a splash of oil, then pour in 2 beaten eggs. Cook on high heat. You want them scrambled, soft and slightly custardy, not dry and rubbery. As soon as they are done, take them off and set them aside for now. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil to the same kadhai. Add plenty of chopped garlic and fry over high heat until it starts to turn golden and the oil becomes aromatic. Now, add chopped onion and bell peppers. Stir fry until the onions turn translucent. This is the flavor base for your fried rice. Add chopped carrots and cabbage. Fry on high heat for a few seconds. They are done when they still have a bit of a crunch. We want our veggies to have a bite. Then reduce the flame and add the rice. Always use rice that has been cooked and cooled, preferably refrigerated for at least 2 hours or even better overnight. This helps each grain firm up and stay separate when stir fried. If you use freshly cooked rice, you will end up with a mushy mess. What we want is a beautiful fluffy texture here and each grain that can hold its own. Increase the heat and stir the rice until it's heated through. This is important because cold rice won't absorb the flavorings we will add next. Once the rice is hot, lower the heat, add crushed white pepper, a bit of MSG, salt to taste, and a splash of dark soy sauce for the color and depth of flavor. Now, bring the heat back up to high and toss the rice until it picks up some color. This high heat gives the rice a nice smoky flavor known as wok hai. Finally, add the scrambled eggs back in along with a handful of chopped green onions. Give everything a light toss and your egg fried rice is ready to serve. You will get a bowl of fried rice that's steaming hot, full of texture and color and bursting with bold Indo-Chinese flavors that keep you going back for bite after bite. Let us know how your fried rice turned out. We would love to hear your twist on it. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!